Today I'll be making Furikake Chex mix. Konnichiwa, I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. If you enjoy homemade snack, check out today's recipe. This is our family's favorite treat to enjoy at home, and it is a great edible gift, especially during the holiday seasons. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for new updates. Now let's get started.
In a large baking pan, add 4 cups of corn Chex, 4 cups of wheat Chex, 4 cups of bugles, 4 cups of honeycomb cereal, 2 cups of pretzels, and 1 bag of Japanese roasted green pea snack. Mix it all together. In a medium saucepan, melt half cup of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, add half cup of brown rice syrup, half cup of sugar, quarter cup of neutral oil, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Evenly distribute the syrup over the party mix. Using 2 silicone spatulas, toss party mix until evenly coated. Sprinkle 1 jar of norikomi furikake and toss until evenly coated. If you like it spicy, add 2 teaspoons of shichimi, Japanese 7 spice to the mix. Bake at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Take the pans out every 15 minutes and mix, 3 times total. Once it's done baking, remove from the oven and let it cool completely. While cooling, toast the party mix every 15 minutes at least 3 times to loosen up as it cools. If you don't plan on eating it right away, divide the party mix into airtight bags or containers. Furikake Chex mix makes a nice holiday gift, and it's great to share with friends.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe and check out more videos here. And let me know what snack recipe would you like me to share next in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!